Have you been trying to figure out ways to implement frugal living in your life with no success? Or maybe that you're struggling to keep frugal habits consistent? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you guys how you can make your first week of frugal living happen. Monday, day 1. Brew your own coffee. There's nothing quite like a fresh pot of coffee in the morning, but the cost of buying your favorite caffeinated drink can put an unwanted debt in your wallet. Fortunately, there is a simple and much more frugal living tip to fix that. The first frugal living tip you can implement is, instead of getting your coffee at the local coffee shop, take time to set up your own coffee at home. Chances are that you'll actually find the same coffee beans that your favorite shop uses to brew coffee, usually at the shop itself, and you can take the time to brew it on your own. This will not only give you your favorite and much needed caffeine fix on Monday, but you'll be saving some extra dollars. Tuesday, day 2. Workout at home. Are you somebody that uses a gym membership or has been thinking about getting one? Well, it may be best to think twice about that. Gym memberships are often very expensive and can really slow you down in your journey to frugality and riches. But there is a way around that. On your second day of frugal living, you can work out in a way that is free of charge, in the comfort of your own home. This will not only give you the workout that you want, but you can be happy knowing that you're saving plenty of money that would otherwise be used on gym memberships. Wednesday, day 3. Search for coupons and flyers. Wednesdays are typically the days that flyers come out for new deals. Many will simply ignore the flyer that they receive, but they're missing out on some of the best deals that you can find on items which they're already going to purchase anyway. Not to mention that this is one of the oldest frugal living tips around. As Wednesday approaches, take the time to either download an app to get a view of the latest flyers, or take the time to search for the flyers that are delivered to you through the mail. We're sure you'll find some deals on items that you can purchase regularly. Thursday, day 4. Finish your leftovers / checking your inventory. As the week comes to a close, there's likely going to be some food in your fridge that you have from the grocery shopping week before. Typically, these leftovers are going to be ignored and forgotten until they're basically thrown away. Unfortunately, this is not only a waste of food, but it's a waste of money. A great frugal tip that you can practice on Thursday is to take the time to finish off any leftovers from earlier in the week, and make sure to make meals using any food that you have in your fridge. This way, you can ensure that you're making the most out of your food and your money. Friday, day 5. Updating your budget. Budgeting is by far one of the oldest and most reliable ways to practice frugal living. It gives you great insight into where you're spending your money on, how much of it you're spending, and if you're really living within your means. However, it can be really time-consuming to do all the calculations of your monthly budget, and sometimes there can be significant changes that happen before the month comes to a close, which may impact how your budget looks. So for Friday's challenge, we recommend updating your budget to see how you're progressing for the week. And by doing this, you're going to be able to see on a microscopic level if you're staying on track with your monthly goals and checking to see if there's any positive changes that can be made. Saturday, day 6. Make a grocery list and go shopping. Grocery stores are some of the easiest places to spend a lot of money, and unnecessarily. There's always tons of sales in every single aisle, almost as if the sales are leading you to more sales. And before you know it, your cart is full of groceries that you don't even need. Fortunately, a great frugal living tip can save you the problems of overspending at the grocery store. And since many people work weekends on Friday, Saturdays are one of the only free days that you can shop. So it's really the best time to create a list of food that you'll actually need the morning before you go. When you do eventually go shopping, be sure to stick to your list as strictly as you can. By sticking to buying what's on your list, you'll be certain to know exactly how much you're spending, which is very comforting. Sunday, day 7. Meal prep for the week ahead. Do you often struggle to figure out what you're going to do to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner during the week, and you just end up spending loads of money on getting takeout instead? Well, meal prepping is a fantastic frugal solution to that issue. For the final day of this frugal living week that you can implement, instead of trying to figure out dinner day by day, take the time to prepare your entire week's meal in advance so you don't have to worry about what you're going to eat, and know that you'll be keeping your hard-earned money in your pockets.